So we come to do some drone flying in Norfolk today. Very, very difficult this time of year. What do you buy your nearest and dearest, and especially if they're a drone flyer? So I've got some filters and bits here from the Wex warehouse. You've got a couple of bags and things if you're looking for that stocking filler idea for this Christmas. So starting off, we've got things like a couple of spare batteries, or a spare battery for your drone flying friend. If you know what drone it is, we can tell you and advise which drone battery you can take, but it's a great little stocking filler. So obviously, again, another little thing to think about when you're out flying, you're always going to need in your bag, when you're preparing everything, some spare propellers. Again, we sell all the different spare blades for all the different drones out there on the market. But getting something as simple as a set of blades is something that you would never imagine getting from a friend or family member, but you're going to really appreciate to pop in your bag because they're always handy to have. You know they've got a DJI drone. Something else to consider would be something like the tablet holder. Now this will clip onto any of the remote controllers, the Mavic Pro, etc., and it will then hold up to a 10-inch iPad, so to give them a much better vision of what the drone's seeing. I've got one in my bag at all times because sometimes I use my phone, sometimes I use my tablet, depending on situations. Another must-have as someone flying a drone is a landing pad. Now we do stock various different makes and sizes of these. This one, as you can see, it's one of these pop-out ones. Really handy. You can visually see this from the air from quite a distance, so for your return to home missions you can see where you are heading for. But again, a great gift idea. Another great stocking filler idea would be something like filters. Now we can offer a great different variation of filters that you pop on the front of the drone camera, give you more creativity for your photography and videography. But again, we've stocked these at Wex for all the different drones. The lovely thing about drone bags is we've got lots of different variations, lots of different price points, but with something like this, it doesn't look like a camera backpack, doesn't look like a drone bag, but in here I've got my Mavic Pro 2, everything that I need for a morning shooting in there, and it's nice and secure, but easy to carry. It's quite discreet, I think, is the best way of putting it, and that's what I really like about this little bag. If you're looking for something, a discreet gift for a friend for their drone, I don't think you can beat something like this. We've got various different sizes online. Like the one before, this is a little bit smaller, which would be ideal for the really popular, the Mini 2 that's just been launched. You get the Mini 2 in there, batteries, other bits and pieces for your shooting. It's got the little strap, etc. So I've got two more bags to show you. I know bags are really personal, so I've chosen sort of a broad range that I think will suit all different sorts of flyers. And so we've got this messenger bag, which is one of our Calumet range. A lot of the guys in the office have got these because they bring their kits and stuff to work. The great thing about this is you can get your drone in there. You can also maybe get your compact camera as well in there if you're out for the day. You've got spaces for your iPad. I've got one of these. I tend to take my lunch to work in it, but I also use it when I'm out on shoots. So I've left my favourite thing till last. This to me is a little piece de resistance for any drone pilot, drone flyer. It's got some fantastic features. The nice thing is, everything I need for my day is in there, much the same as the others. But this is also completely showerproof. It's got some really nice features inside. One of them, the fact that when you roll it out, it's got a built-in landing pad. So no need to add everything else to your bag. Everything is in here. You've got the nice extra area here to put your tablet in. You've got the nice little zipped up compartments to put all your filters, etc. in, your battery spaces and the drone space, but it's all secure. The lovely thing about this bag is when you're finished flying your drone, you can pack everything away, pop your drone back in, take your battery off, put your filters away. You can then roll up your landing pad and it's all in the bag, and you know you've not left anything behind. So these are just a sprinkling of some of my favourite gift ideas. Any of these things I'll be really pleased as a drone pilot to receive myself, so pop onto wex.co.uk and give us a look.